Alright, hey guys, we are going to go over local government today. And by local government, we're talking about county governments. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, local government, we're talking about county governments. Everybody should be aware that you live in Hall County. Alright, Hall County is obviously the county in which we live, and there's a lot of counties in Georgia, 159 to be exact. And all of these counties are very similarly ran, okay? All right, guys, there's 159 counties. Each county government is organized the same exact way. It makes things a whole lot easier on people traveling around the state and things like that. And it just makes it easier for the state as a whole to be ran if all the counties are organized the same way. Okay, basically, guys, what's the purpose of county governments? Well, it's there to serve as a way for people to be represented in state government. This way, everybody in your state has somebody that says things for them. It's basically their voice. Okay, and this is a big deal. Different counties have different needs and therefore need different types of representation. Okay, especially as far as it comes when you're talking about economies and things like that. So, all right, so let's get into the inner workings of county government. Okay, if you'll notice, all of these olive-looking parts, these are all elected offices. So, every 4 years, the voters go to the polls, and they are going to elect the leaders of the county government. Okay, your leaders are a board of commissioners. That is who is in charge of your county. Okay, they don't have a mayor or anything like that. It's called a board of commissioners. You're also going to elect a couple different types of judges, superior court judge, magistrate court judge, and a probate judge. You're going to elect a tax commissioner. Tax commissioners are big because you have to have ways to provide services for people, and therefore you've got to collect taxes because that's how you pay for them. And you're also going to elect a sheriff and a coroner. Okay, and a coroner is someone who deals with people who have died within your county. Okay, now from that, if you'll notice, you have all of these post-it note look pieces. These are all things that are appointed offices, okay? Whereas the Board of Commissioners come together and they appoint these positions or they pick these positions. And if you think about Hall County, you know without a shadow of a doubt that we have a fire department. We have Hall County Fire Department. We have a Public Works Department. We have Hall County Park and Rec. Most of you probably come in contact with Hall County Park and Rec, okay? Also, you are going to have Department of Family and Children's Services, a health department, hospital board, planning and zoning departments, because you want to make sure that your county runs effectively, so you've got to have these positions to do that, okay? But again, please remember, the leader of a county government is the Board of Commissioners, okay? All right, so in your local government, the origins, okay, this is where you're going to have your county commissioner, your judges, your sheriff, and your tax collector, okay? What are the functions of county governments? Well, they're there to establish county laws. They got to make sure that everybody's aware of all the land that is owned in that county. They have to make sure that everybody has their vehicles licensed properly. That's your car tags. You got to make sure that your marriage license are in order. Of course, the biggest thing is you've got to collect your taxes, okay? You have to be able to provide services for your people, and you do that through your taxes. Nobody likes to pay them, but we get really upset when services aren't provided for us, okay? And then they're also there to manage the budget, right? If I have a county where the commissioners are not doing what's supposed to be done with the money, you got an issue, okay? So just make sure that you realize this, all right? The purpose of these positions is to manage the county. You have to keep the county organized. You have to keep it safe, okay? It's a big deal. You go from county to county. Obviously, there are going to be some different laws and things like that, but it all depends on the county. It depends on how they earn money and things like that. So each county can have different laws. It's okay. But just remember, they are all ran the exact same way. All right? So that is city government, guys, and that is where we will, or county government, that's where we're going to stop today. And then we will go over city government tomorrow. All right. Deuces.